How to fix Facebook page only showing followers. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with the process. First thing first, you have to make sure that you are updating your Facebook app. For that, head over to your Play Store, type in Facebook, and if you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now once done, open your Facebook application, get logged into your Facebook page and not your Facebook account. Now your page is supposed to show followers and likes. If your page is not showing likes, it might be a glitch within Facebook itself. So you may go ahead and launch any of your preferred web application like Chrome here. Get logged into your Facebook page from your Chrome and see if it also shows only followers and not like. Now if it's the problem for you, then tap on 3-bar icon, tap on help and support, tap on report a problem, tap on report a problem again, and likewise tap on include and tap on pages. Here simply type in the problem that you are not being able to see your likes and you can only see your followers of your Facebook page. Make sure to mention your Facebook page as well. If you have any photo, tap on upload from phone and add it here. Once done, tap on the send icon and wait for a couple business days in order for Facebook to reply you back, and that shall fix your problem. That is all for today, you guys. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.